Were decisions made by a half board?
Kubwo weru kwa bodi na arugamiriri a thibitari ya Kenyatta ni ikinya rimwe ria kurehe kihonia kia mathina maria magumeire thibitari uyu kwa ihinda.
Pre-operative procedure level.
Maya ni mendekithia ma kamiti ya bunge igi ugima wa mwiri iria thutha wa uthuthuria wayo yendekithitie guteanirio kwa bodi iria iri kuo kuna ndikoretwo ikiruta wira wayo uria kwagiriire. Hamwe na mendekithia mangi ni thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ithugunde mubango wa kuriha arwaru aya eri garama ya githagathago giki. Thibitari ya Kenyatta kuoya garama ya urigitani wa arwaru aya eri na gutigirira ni macokereria ugima wao wa mwiri. Ikundi cia urigitani gutigirira amemba acio ni makinyaniria ikiro cia kimabũrũri kana WHO. Thibitari ya Kenyatta kugacirithia mutaratara wa kuiga record cia arwaru na kuruta wira uria yamurirwo wa kwamukira arwaru kuma thibitari ingi. Thibitari no unyitanirine na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na kigina kwandika wira maafitha a ikiro ngurani aria ni hamwe na madagitari na manathi.
Get back to give some level of public confidence.
Mendekithia ma kamiti no mokite o riri ikundi citiganite cikoretwo cigicoganiria mutharaba uyu o mundu akiyehaniriria na ihitia riri kuria muthenya wa umuthi kiama kia manathi guku bururi-ini kiyumiririe na kumenereria riboti ya bodi ya gutetera arigitani KMPDB kuona irorotereria mahitia maya kuri manathi.
When one particular body or professional body tries to skive and run away from the mistake and try to apportion the mistake on one other kata, we cannot accept, because the truth must be told, however bitter it's going to be. But from today, I think the narrative is going to change.
Ringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Seth Panyako, uhaguku wa mitaratara ya urugamiriri thibitari ni uyu ni gitumi kinene kia mahitia maya, akiuga murigo uyu ndubatie gukuithio mundu umwe.
As a union, we will not accept any form of apportioning blame, trying to impute that the nurse committed an omission when clearly the omission right from the beginning involves each and every staff at Kenyatta National Hospital and right from the management.
Bunge ni tanyitwo kwaririria mendekithia ma kamiti ino niguo gutigirira ni kwagia na mogaruruku thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.